Hello, hello, everyone. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I am super excited to be on. My name is Dr. Monica Johnson. Go ahead and let everybody know that we are live here tonight on Catch 7 Pips and Time to Split. All right, I'm going to give you guys time to jump on, and I'm going to share my screen. Share my screen here. Go ahead and let everybody know that we are on. Text your people. It is Money Making Monday. I'm always super excited about Mondays. Okay, let me go ahead and share my screen here. There we go, there we go. All right, you guys. My name is Dr. Monica Johnson. I'm super excited as always to be on. It is Monday. We call Mondays Money Making Monday, okay? So I'm going to give people time to jump on. We had an amazing day yesterday. Tiara, she sent me a text message saying that she hit her take profit. So we did really good yesterday on that AUD USD. If you were in AUD USD, you should have definitely made some money on that one. All right. So let's get started. Go ahead and let everybody know that we are on. We're going to get started in just one moment. Give people time to jump on. This is the Asian session, you guys. This is a wonderful, wonderful session. Yeah, we did great yesterday. We've had great results on here. Great results. All right. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. Let's go look at the news. That's what we do. Let's see what the market makers are doing out there. We want to look and see what's out there today, what occurred. We didn't have a lot of news today, okay? But it looks like we had a speaker for the United States dollar. There was a speaker that spoke. So we definitely want to keep our eyes on the US dollar, okay? All right, let's see what happened here. Let's just read a little bit and see what happened here. It said that AUD, that's the currency pair that we did yesterday. There weren't any interest rate changes on that. So it's news out there, but it's not necessarily the news that we are looking for. We're looking for that big the big news where interest rates changed or something of that nature. That's what we're looking for, right? We're looking to see who spoke. That's absolutely how we trade the news. Now my mouse doesn't want to work, you guys. Let's see, there it goes. Got it back going. All right, well, let's go ahead and put our eyes to the charts. Let's see what's going on in this Forex market. This is one of the largest financial markets in the world. It's nothing else like this. Okay. Nothing else out there where you can see a return so quickly. Let's look at one of the US pairs. Let's see what US and Canada is doing. Sometimes you pull the charts up and you go right to a trade. Sometimes it takes a little longer than others. Oh, we typed in the wrong one. Let's see what US and Canada is doing. We know we had a speaker to speak for the US dollar, so we know that dollar is absolutely going to be moving. Ooh, we had some strong moves here. It's like the market pretty much bottomed out right there, okay? So we have a great opportunity probably for a buy. Look at these strong drop. Well, it was a strong pull up, and then it looks like it just did a drop here. I like to see that. And as you can see, the Bollinger Band will show you that. And then the histogram is in a downward motion. All right, let's go back. Let's look at the daily because we like to see the furthest perspective, okay? We had a crossover to happen right about here. Okay. It looks like there's a downturn. We see that candlestick forming right there. Okay. We can see that moving average line. There's a constant flow and it's about to go down there. All right, we just looked at the 1 hour chart. So we're going to go to the 15-minute chart because I like to enter the trades based on a 15-minute. Look at that. It looks like there was some consolidation going on for a long time right here. And then the banks made a decision to just do a downward spiral, which is absolutely amazing. A crossover happened right there. And it looks like the histogram is going back in an upward motion. You can see that candlestick about to form right about there. Okay, so this looks like a good trade that we're going to do a buy on. Let's look at that. Let's look at let's go to our money making platform, which is our MT4. And we're going to look for, I'm looking for the United States and Canada. I look at the spread. The spread is not that large. Let's see. It's not that large on this one. And it just looks like that market kind of just bottomed out there. And I'm going to predict that it's probably going to go back up. But let's see this last candlestick that's forming. It looks like it wants to, it's thrown a stem right here. As you can see, it's the green candlestick that's forming. It looks like it threw a stem. So we're going to see what that candlestick is going to do first before we jump into that. So we're going to keep our eye on USD and Canada. We kind of want to see what that's going to do before we make a solid decision to enter that trade. So we're keeping our eyes on USD and Canada. It looks like it's going to go up. Had a very long downward spiral on that one. Whoever jumped in on that one made some money today. And it looks like a second candlestick is about to form. You can see that right there. It looks like a green candlestick. It's about to form. Here's another one. I know we were looking at the United States dollar that I got my eye on. Just waiting a few minutes to see what that second candlestick is going to do. It's absolutely important to be patient. Patience is virtue. Just waiting to see what that other candlestick is going to do before we make a move. Sometimes you come right in, and I got my eye on another one too. Let's look at the Euro Great Britain. Because while we're waiting on that, let's go look at Euro Great Britain. Let's see what that is doing. Okay, we're going to look at the furthest perspective. daily. We had some strong movements here, went down, then it tried to correct itself, has some support, and we see some resistance. You want to look for higher highs, lower lows. Okay, and it looks like crossover happened right here. Okay, let's go to our hour chart. Looks like that it's going back up. We'll go to the 15-minute chart. Looks like it went in an upward motion. All right, so let's go to our money making platform and let's look for the Euro Great Britain pound. That's the Euro Great Britain pound, Euro Great Britain pound. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in, on the Euro Great Britain pound, I'm going to put in a 5. Euro Great Britain pound, I'm going to put in a 5. I know we didn't see that one in the news, but the indicators that we stacked are indicating that that is going to go up. When we look from the furthest perspective and we looked at our moving average, we looked at our histogram, we went from the daily to the hour to the 15-minute. Then we looked at our Bollinger Band, and based on that, you stack the most indicators in a certain direction. So we're going to put in, that was Euro USD, Euro Great Britain pound, Euro Great Britain pound, okay? And then we put in a buy, which is a long position. That was the Euro Great Britain pound. Euro Great Britain pound. I was able to lock in on the Euro Great Britain pound. I was able to lock in 0.87784. And the market is moving pretty slow today, you guys. So don't be alarmed. Every trade goes in as a negative, okay? So that is absolutely okay. Okay, we're going to put in our take profit at 70 because we have to put that extra 0 on there. And then we're going to put our stop loss in at 100. That means we have to put 1,000 on there. Let's see. Here's our coordinates. I was able to lock in 0.87784. Okay, then we're going to go to our MetaTrader 4. We're going to hit modify. We're going to put in, on our take profit is 0.87854. And then I'm going to go to the stop loss, and I'm going to put in 0.86784. And then I'm going to hit modify. Okay, it's up to you to decide what your lot size is. Refer to your IML Academy to learn how to calculate your pips if you want, or your lot size based on your account. I usually do about 12%, but that's up to you. It's your Fortune 500 company. It's your business. So you're in control. You're in the driver's seat, okay? So it's up to you. So I was able to lock in and put in these coordinates here. Okay, and the market is moving a little slow. Okay, that was Euro, Great Britain pound, Europe, and Great Britain. The market is moving a little slow today. Your coordinates are up on the screen. They're up on the screen. Okay, so you can see your coordinates on the screen. Go ahead and type those in. All right. If you have any questions, let me know. Go ahead and type those in the chat if you have any questions. Let me see if I can pull them up. If you have any questions, go ahead and type it in the chat. Let's see if I can pull them up. Okay, hello Ty, how are you? Nice to see you on. Hello Andrea Dudley, hello, how are you? Nice to see you. Hello Tiara. Hey Geraldine, Queen Empress in the house. Hello, nice to see you on. Thank you for typing in the currency pair, the stop loss, and the take profit. I do appreciate that. Okay, Ashley, hello, how are you? Okay, let me see if I can answer some of these questions on here. Hello, Melvin. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Glad to see you on. All right. All right. All right. If you have any questions, go ahead and type them in. Let me see. Hello, Clarence. Hey, how you doing? Nice to see you on. Mona. Hey, Tamara. Nice to see you on. All right, all right. Let me see. Yeah, we were looking at the United States dollar in Canada, but it kind of wasn't doing anything. So I'm going to go back and look at it for a moment. So we went into the euro, Great Britain pound for now. Euro, Great Britain pound. Okay. Jarvis, hello, how are you? Okay, am I seeing that correct? Is that a 100 pip stop loss? Yes, it is. But because it's in ticks, we have to put an extra zero. Now, if we wanted to do 10 pip stop loss, we would just put in 100. Okay. So if we want to do 100 tick, well, pip stop loss, we have to put in 1,000. We have to put in that extra zero behind there. And the computer will convert it. That's what I absolutely love about it. It'll convert it for you. All right. Yeah, it'll absolutely convert it for you. Which is good. And we got a slower moving market today. It's creeping along, but that's okay. It's at a standstill. Sometimes the Asia session is like that. Sometimes it's moving. Sometimes it'll pick up, then it'll slow down, then it'll pick up. But don't be alarmed. It's still a great opportunity to make money. All right. Okay, you guys, if you have any more questions, go ahead and type it in the chat. Just want to jump on and, together we absolutely win. Working together. If you have a currency pair at this time that you want me to look at, I'll try to, I usually can't get to all of them, but if there's one that you want to look at, go ahead and type it in the chat and I will look at that for you and give you a prediction. Hey, Jackie, how are you? Nice to see you on Money Making Monday. It's raining here, so every time it's raining, my phone stalls a lot. So go ahead and type in the chat if there is a currency pair that you want me to look at. Hey, Denise. Hey, Shantae. How are you? Nice to see you. Yes, if you wanted to do, you have to put that extra zero on the back of there. Okay. Geraldine wants to know if we can do one more pair. We can. The market is moving very slow. So a lot of times when I see the market jumping a lot, I'll give more than one. But it's moving very, very slow. Now, if you have a currency pair that you want to look at, type it in there and we can look at it. All right. Yeah, you can set your stop loss is absolutely up to you. That's just what I'm putting in. But this is your business. You can absolutely change it however you want to do it. If you want to do less of a risk with the stop loss, you can. That's up to you. Because you're in control of your company. That's just how I put it in. But it's up to you. If you want to do a 10 pip stop loss, that's up to you. But I know that the reason I usually do 100, we did 10 yesterday, but the reason why I usually do 100 is because I know that the market will move and you don't want it to just cash out in the negative. It just, you don't give it a chance for the market to go in the right direction, okay? Because that can happen a lot where you can miss out on an opportunity just because you set the stop loss too low and it just automatically cashes out in the negative, and then it jumps back up and then you're like, oh my goodness, if I had a bigger stop loss, I could have you know, hit my, I could have actually made some money. So it's up to you, though. It's up to you. You're in control of your stop loss. You're in control of your take profit, because a lot of times you can cash out before it hits the take profit. The take profit and the stop loss is just there for your protection, okay? But it's your business. It's up to you. You know what your risk to reward is. And we always practice you know, proper risk management. So it's up to you to gauge, because I can't see what's in your account. I can't see, what you should do for your business. So you're in control. You're the CEO. It's up to you to make those decisions. I just give a suggestion, or I'm just telling you what I'm actually doing, but it's up to you to decide. Okay. All right. If there's any other currency pairs you want me to look at, that is up to you. But this is your business. Your business is up to you. You're in control. I can't stress that enough. All right, all right. And it is absolutely moving slow. So I'm not going to I'll look at a currency pair, but I'm not going to suggest any other ones because the market is really moving slow today. All right. So type in the chat if you want me to look at something else. I was giving it a few minutes just to see. If you have any more questions. And I'm just on here to let you know this absolutely works. If you work it, it'll work for you. All right, you guys. I don't see any more questions right now. So that it means that you guys, let me see. I did see one that said UJ. What about UJ? Okay. Let's look at that one is the United States dollar and the Japanese yen. Okay, we always go to our furthest perspective. That's going to give us a better idea of, what direction we're actually going in. I'm sure my phone is charging. Okay. United States and the Japanese yen. Ooh, there's a major drop going on. A major one. So if you jumped in on that one, that was pretty good. There is a major drop. Let's see. You see there's a downward trend. It looks like it went back up and it's dropping now. This mouse don't want to cooperate. I think I need more batteries in it. Yeah, it looks like that market is dropping. So you in that one, yourself a good trade. All right, at the one, yeah, follow. See the D is going in a down, gram is even going in a. So that's stacking your indicators, okay? That's how you know that this is that's a sell, that's a sell. Okay, there was a crossover on the histogram. It's downward motion. This is the 15-minute. You can see that there is a steady downward trend. It tried to correct itself, but it continues to fall. It continues to fall. You want to look for lower lows, higher highs, and let's see. Looks like it continues to fall. Yeah, that would be a sell. And this candlestick, this last one, you can jump in on that but what I would do is I would wait for that candlestick to retrace, because if I would wait for it to go back up. There's a strong candlestick that's happening right now. I would wait for it to go back up and then jump in on that, because we know that it's probably going to go down. But it is up to you. You could do a sell on that. We're in the blue. If you're in the blue on your euro, Great Britain pound, type in the chat. I'm absolutely in the blue on that one. Even with a phone that's stalling, I'm still in the blue. Okay. But yeah, that USD Great Britain pound, I mean USD Japanese yen, that is pretty much a sale, and that market is falling. And so we can look at that. If you went ahead and jumped in on this one, that would be considered a short. Okay, so then we would go in and put our parameters in on that. That would be considered a short. That candlestick is going back up, so it's a good opportunity to lock in that one. The spread is very small on that one. Let's see. So let me see. If you were to go into that one, let's see, I locked in 110.929, and I just put in 100. That's up to you. It's your judgment. Let me see on the stop loss. I put in 100, but if you don't want to do that, that's on you. It's your company. Okay, this is the coordinates that I locked in. Okay, and if you'll be in the blue if you lock that in. USD JPY is in the blue. Type in the chat if you're in the blue on USD JPY. Okay, and you want to modify it. You want to go in and type in your take profit. I got 110.859, and then I got a stop loss of 111.929. I hit modify, and USD JPY is in the blue. These are the coordinates. That was a good one. Good look, good look. And that thing is dropping. It's dropping. And as you can see, we stacked those indicators, okay? You can also go to your harmonic scanner. I'm going to look at if my mouse will work, I'll go to the harmonic scanner and see what it says. We've already put in our trades, but I'll show you something else. Let's see. Let's go to the harmonic scanner and we look at USD JPY on that. Let's see if it's up here on the scanner. I'm not gonna hold y'all long. I'm just gonna show you something else. USD JPY is a shark pattern. So if you're trading by patterns, this one is a shark, and you can see A, B, C, D, the D. Actually, they're putting in, I put in a sale on that one. So they're waiting for it to go down, and then they're going to put in a buy on that one. But I actually put in a sale. So we got in on the falling candlestick. And you can cash out before it hits the take profit. That's up to you. If you're in the blue and you see, you know, that's enough money for me, go ahead and cash it out. You don't have to wait for that take profit, okay? So if you were looking at the harmonic scanner, they're going to wait for it to drop down and then go into a buy, which is smart. So we got in on the fall, okay? So now hits these numbers, this entry point number, they're saying then you can go back in on a buy, which is a smart move, okay? And then you can, I usually on the harmonic scanner, I usually only would do yeah, you can cash it out because you see that candlestick is forming. It didn't hit the take profit. So I would cash out on USD JPY. And I just did. Okay. I cashed out on that one. But it is up to you. It's back in the blue. Or you can wait. It's up to you. But you're in control of it. Don't think that you can't go back in and modify things or change it. That's the great thing about trading. So what they're going to do on the harmonic scanner is they're going to wait for it to hit the entry point 110.57838. And you can put that in. It's back in the blue. Both USD JPY and Euro Great Britain is in the blue, okay? So if you decide that you wanted to jump back in when it hits this entry point number, you can go into it as a buy when the market jumps back up, okay? And usually on the harmonic scanner, I only go into take profit number 1. You can do take profit number 2, but I usually do take profit number 1, and it's a sharp pattern, okay? Which makes it a little more volatile, all right? But there's different ways you can trade, different strategies. You can go in on the downturn. The good thing about Forex is that you make money whether the market is going up or down. So you can jump in when it's going down and then wait for it to go back up and jump back in if you want to. That's on you, okay? It's how you want to do it. But it absolutely works, okay? And that, the USD JPY is still falling. So it's up to you because they sent a fake out candle. They absolutely sent a fake out candle for us to cash out, which is, you know, all right. So there's different perspectives to look at. I hope I didn't confuse you by pulling up the harmonic scanner, but I just wanted to just show you that there's different ways. There's not one way to trade. You can trade different ways, okay? So utilize all your tools. Go to your IML Academy. It's great information there, okay? especially if you're just starting out, refer to Forex 101. And that was the coordinates that we did for USD JPY. And I think I've held you guys long enough. So I'm super excited as always. I absolutely love trading. So, you know, it's your Fortune 500 company. Work it how you want to work it. I just show you how I do it. But it is up to you. You are in control. I absolutely love you guys. I'm super excited as always to be on and humbled to be on. So join me, you guys, on Sundays at 8 p.m. Also join me on Mondays at 8 p.m. So happy trading. Enjoy. This is Money Making Monday. My name is Dr. Monica Johnson, and I have enjoyed my time on here with you guys. So let's get excited. Be blessed. I will see you next time. All right.